Hello folks, my name is Sharon Naraine and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State, and I would like to really talk to you about this amazing direct mailing. Folks, see here, we take advantage of an extremely easy concept called direct mail marketing. Okay, and that's what I want to talk to you about. As a matter of fact, like hundreds of others, you can start receiving cash commissions straight to your doorstep. Folks, this is amazing. So here's my question: are you ready for a change in your cash flow? I am going to tell you that you will not get rich overnight. Okay, there's some work you need to put into it. Alright, but once you do that, folks, the reward is beautiful. You will be compensated. So here's the deal: if you follow the plan, you can earn extra cash every day in your mailbox, and this is true, folks. If you just follow the plan, follow the blueprint. Okay, here you see, my encouragement to you is that for you to work smarter and not harder. Okay, change the statistics, reach your financial goals. It all begins by taking action. Folks, you can accomplish this and more. Very simple, by just taking action. Just take actions. Now, this program is designed for you to join at any level. Yes, any level, folks, that you're comfortable with. You can upgrade later as you earn. Okay, you can always upgrade later as you earn. Follow the training provided. Take advantage of the support provided. Follow the steps, and you will see that you will be making a grand and even more. So folks, take action. Okay, take action. Now let's choose your level. Let's click on that, see what will show up. Okay, it is, let's see what we have here. And folks, this is my capture page. See that? I click on the link and then it says here, beautiful capture page. Folks, this is an amazing capture page that you will be getting from the company. Okay, it says get ready to discover how you can make the rest of your life the best of your life. Oh my goodness, it's an amazing eye-catching capture page. It says here, free video reveals how to earn payments of $50, $100, $200, $300, $500, and $1,000, and folks, and even $2,000 mailed daily right to you, to your very own mailbox. Folks, this is huge. This is very huge. You wouldn't find such commissions, and to scale up your life, to scale up your lifestyle. Okay, so folks, this is an easy way to make money from home. No experience is necessary to get started and to make money. No experience. You don't have to be computer savvy. Okay, like many people, we have so many people in this opportunity that does not even know how to turn on a computer. Folks, it is not compulsory for you to do this online. It is not. You can simply do it offline. Okay, so now it says no experience needed, right? So let's see what else. It says show me the video. Let me see if I can put a link in there. Okay, let me put my husband's email. Let's see if it will show me, right? It is very simple, folks. You will be getting something just like this, where you capture page and your ending, because see, once you sign up, you will sign up with a username, and that's how that will be strictly for you. Okay, and so you will be getting all of this, and all when people put an email there, then it says show me the video. So there's a video involved that's gonna do the selling and the telling all for you folks. You don't have to rack your brain. So here it is, cash in the box. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Cash in the box. Exactly how it sounded. So let's see what it says here, and you will be getting this, folks. I mean, this is very, very responsive, very well thought out, very well set out. So it says here, what if I told you that there is a way to earn payments of 25, 50, 100, 200, 500,000, even 2,000 daily mailed right to your own mailbox. Oh my goodness, folks, wouldn't that be lovely? Think about it, folks. Alright, so once you click on the link, I will be putting my link in this video down below. Just click on the link, put your name and email, and it is very self-explanatory. So it will take you step by step and show you and tell you what the business is all about, how you can go about doing, and so forth. So you will have an opportunity to read up on all of that. Now, folks, this is very, very simple and yet powerful, and as well as it's easy money. I mean, how hard is this? And what Cash in the Box is that it's a 2-letter program, yet so simple for people to make money. Once you join as a sponsor, not only will you have immediate access to unlimited training and support, but you will also receive marketing kit designed by ALV Marketing exclusively for you and your joining level. Your marketing kit will include a how to get started guide. Okay, in your kit you will get information as how to get started. It's like a guide, and then also you will be getting your very own personalized money making flyer. Okay, that's going to be strictly to you in your kit. It's going to have your name, it's going to have that you are the person doing this. As a matter of fact, it's also called the reseller rights. Now you're going to be getting the guide, you're going to get your personal money flyer, and then you will be getting the peel and stick leads. Alright, the peel and stick, it's the leads, very responsive leads, going to come in a sheet of paper, and all you do, you just take off the label and you put it on the envelope with your stamp and also the information in the envelope. Folks, it's not difficult at all. Okay, so your marketing kit will include how to get started guide, your very own personalized money making flyer, peel and stick leads and stamp. Folks, that alone is a huge savings. With all you need to do is just to click to see where you want to join, how much money you want to make real quick, and you just click and join, and the rest is history. It will tell you exactly how and what you need to do and how to set up your account, your payment processing, etc. Okay, so it says here how to get started. As a matter of fact, folks, it is very easy. How to get started is that you just get the link, click on the link, put the information, choose which position you want to be in. If you want to come into the highest, midway, halfway. Okay, so each one you will be getting a personalized setup. Okay, but it can be done ahead of time, because we don't know if if you joined, if you paid, and all those goody stuff. So here it says here how to get started, right? So let's see here. Folks, you can read up on that. Choose your joining level. See, there's a level for every budget. $25 level, $50 level, $100 level, $200, $300, $400, $500, $1,000, or even $2,000. Folks, you need to reach out to me once you sign up. Just let me know so I can be in the alert, and we can have you all situated in the system so that your kit can come out with all the information I'm telling you about. So that's the level. Now this is a 2-level program. One payment goes to pay the company, and then you have your own payment. I don't know. You're going to be able to work this program, and folks, you have some incentive as well too. So you will be able to read up on all this and learn. You earn as you learn. Now, if you receive a flyer, then that's fine. It tells you here, but you will be receiving all your information. Comes in a package, and you can be able to get started. I am here, folks. You just call me 352-805-9846. I live in Claremont, Florida, close to the House of the Mouse, they call it, Disney World. So call me, and texting is better. If you can text me and say, Sharon, I have looked at cash in the box. I would like a way to start sooner than later. I can be able to arrange, your payment and all of that. So the big question is, how does this all work? Right? How does this all work? So all you need to do is, it is so simple. We'll provide you with all the tools, folks, and support to get you on your way to make the rest of your life the best of your life. This program is as simple as mailing a letter. You simply fold the flyer, stuff it in the envelope, and use your handy peel and stick labels. The labels is gonna come. All you have to do, just peel it out, and you put that on the envelope. These are proven leads, and from people who have requested information for amazing companies just like this, and we are waiting to join you in your company. Want to wish you so much success with this program, folks. So much success. So here we go. We have a level for every budget. Okay, what this program is all about is all digital training. Okay, digital. This will be a personal flyer to promote how you like it. Every level comes with access to the members area. That includes 11 videos, digital training series. That this is all that brought in the area. So again, it teaches you how to promote your business. 11 video digital training series in the members area. So folks, you can take, once you learn this, you can take this to any place, any business. Okay, because once you learn it, it's there to stay. So here you have it. See what we're talking about, the $25 level. What you will get, it will tell you exactly what you will be getting. Getting started guide, personalized money, making flyer in black and white. You will get that, and you can see the rest. Now for $50 level, you see what you get. $100 level, you see personalized money and money flying in white. So, and you get a book a stamp. You get 200 leads on peel and stick labels, and you have your members area. So folks, the $100 level, you get one book a stamp. You get the personalized money mailing flyer that you're gonna fold that up and put it on the envelope. Okay, so you get a book a stamp. You're gonna get everything that is really nice, and that's with the $100 level. So if you come in with $50 in $25, it really does not make sense. Okay, so let's go to, there you go. Let's go to, oh my gosh, we have the $200 level, 300, 500. Folks, you can read up on it. The 500 is 1,200 leads on peel and stick labels. Oh my, that is huge. So folks, that's what I want to share with you. This is $1,000 and the $2,000 level. Okay, so, and also we have 2 opportunity calls each week. One at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the other one is 9 p.m. Eastern, Standard Time. It's all Pacific. It's Pacific. Okay, folks, I think, all you need to do is to go to createwealthwithsharon.com. Again, that's createwealthwithsharon.com. And folks, we are here. I am here. Sharon Naraine is here. I'm here, willing, ready, and able to teach you, to help you, to show you how easy this program is to make money. Okay, you can also call me or text me 352-805-9846. Email me sharonaraine@gmail.com. Reach out to me on Facebook. Look for me on Facebook. Okay, folks, again, the 2 opportunity calls, one at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and one at 9 p.m. Thursday, every Thursday night at 9 p.m. and that's Eastern Time. You have that. Besides, we have our Facebook group where you're going to be getting training, and also you will be interacting with other people as well, and so training and support is there. So again, folks, I just need for you to click on the bell. All right, once you click on the bell, you will be notified when I'm doing any video, and also click on the subscribe button, okay, to subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Sharon Naraine, and I'm looking forward to be seeing you soon. Okay, looking forward to welcome you into my team. Until then, you take care. Peace out. Bye for now.